In this video, I'll show you how to use GoHighLevel for high-ticket consulting so you can attract premium clients and scale your business. Step 1. Build authority funnels. Use GoHighLevel's drag-and-drop builder to create a professional landing page with a lead magnet, case studies, and testimonials that position you as an expert. Step 2. Automate appointment booking. Add a booking calendar so prospects can schedule strategy sessions without back-and-forth emails. Step 3. Nurture with automation. Create email and SMS sequences that educate, share insights, and warm leads up before the consultation. Step 4. Qualify leads. Add application forms inside your funnel so only serious prospects enter your pipeline. This saves time and ensures you're speaking with high-value clients. Step 5. Close with pipelines. Use GoHighLevel CRM to track each stage of the deal, from booked call to signed contract. Step 6. Scale your consulting. With workflows, reporting, and client portals, you can deliver a premium experience that justifies high-ticket pricing. And that's it. GoHighLevel makes high-ticket consulting streamlined, automated, and highly profitable. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.